I'm using a stretch satin fabric. My measurements are from shoulder to bust to waist and to hip plus full length. So when I fold the fabric, I added 12-inch extra because I'm gonna include the sleeve. So you can measure the length you desire. My shoulder measurement divide by 2 plus 2-inch extra, and then from that 2-inch I'm going to measure extra 10-inch. So as for my armhole, I'm connecting it to my bust line because I want it to be loose. My neck width is 3-inch. Remember, we are cutting the back first. So I took about 1.5 inch for the shoulder slope. Then we are adding our our horizontal measurement. Divide by 4 plus 3-inch allowance. Now we are connecting our lines. From my bust point, I'm taking a 10-inch line and then I'm curving. So I'm just smoothing the curve so that the sleeve can sit well on the body. Then I cut. Add your allowance before you cut the sleeve. Joining allowance. So to cut the front, I'm folding the fabric into 2. Measure 3-inch for overlapping and then trace the back. Mark 12-inch for the front neck depth. So connect the back and the front together. Start by joining at the shoulders, then join the sides. measure your neck round so that you can cut the neck band. Cut about 5-inch neckband folded, and then your width also folded. So you're going to measure 2-inch at the bottom, and then about 4.5-inch at the 3-inch mark, because our back neck width it was 3-inch. So what you're going to do, you mark 3-inch at the bottom and then connect the lines. Cut and sew the curved part. So join your neckband to your neck, starting at the back, going down. Cut about another 3-inch folded band and add to your sleeves. This is our finished robe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.